My name is Natasha Kaiser-Vuksha. I work for SAPI Germany and serve as their representative for Slovenia. We are currently standing inside the sandblasting hall in Vuzenica at the Bijol company. We built them a sandblasting hall, 9 meters long and 5 meters wide. The hall is equipped with the most modern technology available. As you can see, it features LED lighting throughout, providing excellent illumination all the way down to the floor. It also has floor-level material collectors, which gather all the blasting media and keep it constantly recirculating. The hall is fitted with powerful air extraction filters, which ensure clean air and great visibility during the sandblasting process. The entire interior is lined with rubber, which deflects the blasting material away from the walls. This keeps the hall in excellent condition for much longer, and also prevents the blasting media itself from wearing out too quickly. A standout feature of this hall is the roof doors. When very heavy or oversized objects need to be sandblasted, the roof opens, and an overhead gantry crane lowers the piece down into the hall. The crane then retracts, and the roof doors close. The hall also comes fully equipped with personal safety gear, including a helmet and a breathing filter. During installation, we followed all relevant safety regulations, ensuring the hall meets every EU standard. This guarantees a safe and cost-efficient working environment inside the blasting facility. Thank you for watching our video. If you're looking for a sandblasting hall, whether similar to this one, larger, smaller, or fully customized to your workflow, don't hesitate to reach out. Write to us, give us a call, or leave a comment below this video. From Vuzenica, we send you a warm sandblasting greeting, and we'll see you in the next video.